is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we're going to do one special. What's this?
Hello Kitty.
Yeah, we got some Hello Kitty chicken noodle soup by Prince Katsu. It's a Asha Noodles USA product. And Mimi is here today because she wants to show off her new baby doll. Put your tongue away. Go get your baby. Mimi has a baby that if you feed it, and yes, you can feed it, it will make things happen. Now, what's your baby's name?
Sarah.
Sarah. Ah.
Yeah.
Whoa. Okay.
And I just want to show them the blender.
Yeah, you put a little sachet of stuff in, and you use this blender and mix up this food, and you get a little bottle, and you stuff it in the kid's mouth, and then you like hang out with it, and then what happens?
And then she goes in her diaper.
Yeah, she like goes all over. She has a blowout, huh?
Yeah.
Is it pretty nasty?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like that. Ooh, nasty poops. So how's your day going?
Good.
Good. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Are you glad to be back in school?
Yeah.
Yeah. What are you doing in school lately?
I was doing some playing.
Yeah, you do a lot of playing in preschool, huh? Is that fun?
Yeah.
Good. Are you reading books?
Yeah.
What books did you read last time?
I forgot that my Pink Delicious book there.
Oh, well, try to remember to bring it home today, okay?
Okay.
Yeah,
But it's not there now.
Oh, did you tell the teacher?
No.
Oh, well, tell the teachers. I'm sure she knows where it's at.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're super smart. They know stuff. They're teachers. But, what are the teachers reading? You don't remember? Okay. Well, go run along and have fun. It's about to get hot in the kitchen. Ladies and gentlemen, the lovely Miriam, my daughter. So we're going to make some of this stuff. She's got school in a little bit. There's the noodle block. And there is the fill line. Not too hard to find the fill line on these. I like that. Thank you. It's funny because I can't see very well, which, you know, that's not really all that funny, but it's like in a world of most people can see pretty well, but it's like I swear a lot of people just never think about people who are visually impaired. So you've got products. This one's pretty good. You've got a lot of high contrast content on the labeling, but then you'll find stuff that's like a shade of red on the background, and the text is black, and it's like a dark red with black on it, and it's like I can't see it. I have to scan it, which I do anyways, but most people don't. I have to scan it and then like drop the saturation of color so I can even see it. And it's like completely unreadable. Hormel chili cans. There's a prime example. You'd think they'd pick up on that, but they don't. They don't seem to. But yeah, Mimi's definitely the standard bearer of baby toys. She really likes the baby. She's really all about, what's that movie? Frozen. That's her thing. 3 minutes to steep. And, yeah. So, I'm kind of stuck today. I've got a package coming, and the problem though is that I have to sign for it. I don't know if these people are gonna like go, oh, well, he wasn't here. He can sign for it, or the office can sign for it. And what really sucks about it is it says out for delivery. It said out for delivery 2 days in a row. It's like, it's out for delivery and didn't show up. It's out for delivery and didn't show up. Today though, it came up with the out for delivery at 3 a.m. So I think there's maybe a good chance it'll show up today. I hope so. It's something I really like to have show up. But I'm waiting. I ordered it on the 23rd of December, and it's already the 7th of January, and I think I paid for expedited shipping. So maybe I did. We'll see. I like how the company says, like, you can get a refund, but we ask that you wait 21 days. It's like, you can ask. But if it shows up today, I'll be happy. Yeah. I gotta say right now, if you're gonna get something shipped to you, don't use OnTrack. Whatever you do, pay for the extra. OnTrack is absolute garbage. OnTrack. We get regular shipments from a place for my son, and every single day, over and over and over, blah blah blah, updated delivery date, shipment delay, updated delivery date, shipment delay. It's just like over and over and over, in like 2 weeks. It just and it's in Seattle. It's like, God, 10 miles from here, 15 miles from here, if that. The package originates in like Bothell. I've asked the company, can I just go pick it up? No, we don't allow that. It's like, it's just a big waste of time. Anyways, yeah, I just don't understand the whole nobody wants to work thing. It has nothing to do with getting stimulus checks, because nobody's paying their rent with only stimulus checks. Nobody. No. I think we got in stimulus, we did pretty good. I mean, but as far as paying our rent, I think maybe we could have gotten 3 months out of that. And they did first stimulus, I think it was getting close to a year ago. No. Yeah, over a year ago. So it's like, I think Trump did one and then Biden did some, but so yeah, whatever. But yeah, there's like all sorts of positions out there. There's one at my wife's work. God, if I wasn't a stay-at-home dad, I would do it in a heartbeat. For a screener. You make good money. You get good benefits. You get good hours. Of course, they have to deal with people going, do you have any symptoms? No. Well, do you know what the symptoms are? Yes, being sick. No, yeah. And, you have to do all that kind of stuff. My sister did that for a while. And people would just be really combative and weird. But what can you do? I wish people were nicer. That's one thing that would really make me happy. People could just be a bit nicer. But what do you do? It'll happen. People will get a load of being nice. It's like, hey, I should be nice. Everybody tells me to be nice when I was a kid. Yeah, be nice. Doesn't cost. Yeah, my brother says, be nice. It doesn't cost you anything. It's like, it's true. Unless you really don't want to lose your reputation of being a horrible person. All right. Asha, officially Sanrio licensed Hello Kitty noodle. Let's give it a try. I like the noodle better when it's microwaved. I made it using the microwave instructions on the spicy one, and yeah, I liked that better. They're not bad. Let's try the broth. Okay. It's nice. One thing that I've found about licensed products like this, that generally their unlicensed stuff, their flagship stuff, is going to be way better. But it's cool, and if you really like Hello Kitty, it is a super score. Time for Sparky. Okay. All right. There. And that is that. And then we also have a lovely, and a little big for this bowl. I gotta figure out where exactly to place it. We'll do you right there. Fried egg. I haven't had time to do a lot of hard-boileds lately, so it's, and I've been like really sporadic in my reviewing too. It's like I got all sorts of stuff that I need to review, and I just haven't been up for it, you know? Which is harsh. It's like I really like to do my reviews, but it's like, just felt kind of stressed out lately. The weather seems to be mellowing. That I like. Rotato. DryNoodles.com. Hello Kitty Noodle, you can get it. The chicken I've been making lately, I've been using this on it. This is McCormick Culinary Peruvian seasoning. And I got some at the grocery store to put on popcorn. That's what most of this will go on. I don't make a lot of chicken these days. It's really good. I highly recommend it. At the grocery store, a bottle like this, which it's organic, they want 10 bucks for it. It's like 2.37 ounces. This I got on Amazon for 20 bucks. Actually, my wife got it for me. Thank you very much. 24 ounces for 20 bucks. So the price per ounce is incredibly, yeah. But it's not organic, so if you have to have it organic, then you're out of luck. You can spend more, but you don't have to. Excuse me. This has been Hans, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day, and your chicken and your Peruvian and all this stuff. Have a good one, and bye.